Okay, good. So next, right, I'm going to get you to remove your lipstick first. So I'm going to remove my lipstick. I'm going to show you how do you achieve pink lips. So actually my lips is very dry and has a lot of lines. Can you see my lips? It's much worse before, but now it's better. So then after that, I'm gonna use my lip scrub. This is the one. I don't know whether you can see it. A bit lawa also. Okay, then after that, I'm gonna use my lip scrub. So you can scrub for about maybe 1 minute or less. No need to scrub too hard because our lips is only 5 layers of skin. I used to contemplate about fillers and Botox. So let's see. So the lip scrub is a bit sweet because there's sugar inside. And don't worry, it's edible. Can you see my lips? Much more pinkish, lesser lines. Then after that, right, if you have a lot of lines on your lips, right, like here, okay, then I would recommend that you use a wrinkle filler. Okay, but if you have not much lines on your lips, but you still need to plump up the effect, I recommend that you use our lip balm or our night cream. Can you see it helps to plump up your lips? So not much lines after that. So this is how I achieve my pink lips. So if you're interested to order the products, you can let me know. And then also, this lip scrub is only $16. Right now we're having a special promotion for the lip scrub and the lip balms at $26. While stocks last till end of July. If you're interested in getting this one and the eye cream, I have a special promotion as well. So I hope to hear from you soon. If you're interested, if you like what I teach just now, you can actually like my video and subscribe to my video. Hey guys, how do you like this video? I hope that this video is helpful to you. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and then also hit the bell button so that you'll be able to notify each time I launch a new video. And also be sure to subscribe, and then so please share this video to your friends, and then also hit the like button so that I know that you like this kind of video, and then I'm most willing to make this video more. So I hope to hear from you soon, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Bye!